Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we will learn addition in mathematics. What is addition, dear? Do you know what is addition? Shall we see today what is addition? Okay, the process of combining two or more numbers by counting forward gives total or sum. It is called as addition. Children, now we will see a mind map in addition. Sum all together, in all, total, and it is a symbol of addition. It is a plus symbol. The boy with a symbol in his hand. Can you know what symbol is that, dear? It is a plus symbol. It is a symbol of addition. It is a symbol of addition. Addition means we are going to count forward counting. We are going to use forward counting. Children, we will see a small example in addition. Now, how many birds are sitting on the tree? 2 birds are sitting on the tree. 2 more birds joined. How many birds are there in all? What we have to do now? We have to add. Add means we have to count forward. How we are going to count now? 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have done the forward counting, isn't it? So how many birds are there in all? There are 4 birds in all. Here we will see one more example. Can you all see an aquarium? Yes. How many fishes are there? There are 3 fishes. 2 more fishes have joined. 2 more fishes have been joined. Now how many fishes are there in all together? Shall we count now? How we have to add? We have to count it as forward counting. Okay. Now 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Start counting forward, dear. Leave 2 fingers. After 3, 4, 5. So how many fishes are there in all? There are 5 fishes in the aquarium. Now we will see a small example in addition. What is the number given there, dear? 4 plus 2. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add, isn't it? How we are going to add? We have to add forward counting. 4 in the mind and 2 should be in your fingers. 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6. What is the sum, dear? 6 is the sum. Children, now we will see one more example, dear. What is the number it's given? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Now we are going to find the sum. How we will find the sum? By counting forward. 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the sum we got? 8 is a sum. So what is the answer? 5 plus 3 is 8. Children, we will see zero concept addition. What is zero concept addition? if we add 0 with any number, the answer will be the same number. We have an example here, isn't it? What is our number given here? 5 plus 0. So what will be the answer here? Answer will be 5, because if we add 0 with any number, the answer will be the same. Children, we'll see one more example in addition. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. Now how we will count 8 plus 4? As forward counting in addition. Remember children, we have to always count forward. Okay dears? 8 in the mind and 4 in the fingers. 8 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good children. Now we have to write 12. How we will write 12? Can we write two numbers together in one's place? We should not write like that, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to first write 2 in one's place. 2 in one's place and 1 in tens place. Okay dear? So we got the answer. 8 plus 4 is 12. Here we'll see one more example. 9 plus 5. How we will add 9 plus 5? 9 in the mind and 5 in the fingers. 9 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, what is the answer we got? We got 14. Now how we should write 14? 4 in one's place and 1 in tens place. We should not write both the numbers in one's place. We have to write 4 in one's place and 1 in tens place. Here we will see number stories. Here we'll have a small example in word problem. Gopi has 3 red marbles and 4 green marbles. How many marbles does he have in all? What is that dear? Gopi is a boy, isn't it? He has 2 different colors of marbles. One color is red and one more color is green. In red color marbles, he has 3 marbles. In green, he has 4 marbles. Now we are going to find how many marbles he has totally. How many marbles does he have in both colors? Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to add and find out. Now before adding, we have to write the statement. What is the statement we are going to write? Number of red marbles. How many red marbles he has got? He has got 3 red marbles. Then next statement we are going to write number of green marbles. How many green marbles he has dear? Yes, 4 green marbles. Very good. Now we are going to find how many marbles does he have in all. For that what we have to do? We have to do addition. So what is the symbol of addition? Plus is a symbol of addition. Very good dear. Now what we are going to find? We are going to find total number of marbles. Shall we count how many marbles does he have? 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good children. So total number of marbles, how many he has got? He has got 7 marbles. Dear, shall we see one more example? There were 6 owls sitting on a branch. 2 more joined them. How many owls are there altogether? What is the question given there, dear? On a branch, there are 6 owls sitting and 2 more owls joined them. And what is the question asked? How many owls are there altogether? Now, how we are going to find out how many owls are there? We have to do the addition. While doing addition, what we have to do, dear? We have to count forward. Okay, first we will write the statement. Number of owls. Number of owls. How many owls were there, dear? There were 6 owls. Very good. And next statement, what we are going to write? Number of owls joined. How many owls joined them? 2 more owls joined. Very good, children. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add, isn't it? What is the symbol of addition? Plus is a symbol of addition. Now what we are going to find out, dear? Total number of owls. Okay. Shall we do the sum now? 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. Now what is answer, dear? 8 is the answer. So how many owls were sitting? 8 owls were sitting on the branch of a tree. Children, now I have given you few sums as homework to do a practice at home. Vertical and horizontal and the zero concept. Please practice at home, dear. Children, I have gave you 2 more sums for your practice at home. What are the first sum? 5 plus 6. And the next sum is 8 plus 8. I hope you all will practice at home. Please, dear, have a practice of addition daily. Dear, here is one more word problem. Shall we see what is it? Ravi had 4 books. His father gave 2 more books. How many books does he have in all? In all is given. So what we have to do? We have to add. So what I have given you the statements. You are just going to write the numbers in their particular places and then don't forget to put the addition symbol. Addition symbol is very important, dear, when you are writing the word problem. Practice like this. It will be easy for you. We will discuss the answers in the next video, dear. Thank you, dear. Bye bye. See you. Stay home. Be safe, dear.